Most of us have stubborn fat. It doesn't matter how much weight you lose, it's still there. Usually the love handles for the guys, the thighs and rear for women. There's something that might help, and it doesn't involve surgery. It's called Coolsculpting. Joining me this morning to explain is Dr. Jon Mendelsohn. This is very new because I called your office and I wanted to talk to you about something else, and you said we should talk about this because this is the newest, latest, greatest things in terms of weight loss, correct?
Well, not in terms of weight loss, but in terms of fat loss.
Okay.
Yeah, that stubborn fat as you talk about. And yeah, it's called Coolsculpting. And I'll be happy to tell you about it.
Yeah, you've tried it too, correct?
Yeah, yep, I tried it on my abdomen, my belly.
Okay, so now tell me what we're looking at on the screen right there.
Okay, so what we're doing is there's a device, there's a gel pad that goes over the affected area. And there you go. And then the device will be applied to it, and there's a negative suction that draws the tissue into the applicator.
Okay.
It exposes the skin to cold temperatures for about 60 minutes. That induces an inflammatory response in the skin.
Okay.
That creates what we call apoptosis, which is natural fat cell death. So the fat cells only are the cells affected, and you'll lose about 20 to 25% of the fat given over that 60-minute period.
Because this guy by no means is overweight, but
right.
He is carrying fat in a certain part of his body, correct?
Yeah, and this isn't for someone who might be 300 pounds,
Sure.
And you mentioned weight loss. This is really to remove that stubborn fat. You can use it from the buttock, the back, the thighs, the belly.
Let's take a look at some of the before and after pictures that we have in our control room. Who's the best candidate for this?
The best candidate is somebody who generally is fit, who has some stubborn fat that they want to get rid of.
Yeah. So now how long does it take? Now here's the major question. I have love handles. Sometimes I just can't get rid of it, right? I have to get really low in terms of weight before I go on a vacation on a beach, right?
Right.
So how often would I have to go? What kind of results would I see?
Right. This treatment really was set up as a single session, a single treatment, single 60-minute treatment.
One treatment?
One treatment. However, they've made some modifications, and many patients we're treating twice. Once today and once a month from now.
Okay, so we're looking at a before and after picture here. You can definitely see the difference. Was this with one treatment?
These were all with single treatments that you're looking at. The protocol just recently changed, yes.
Okay, so how long did it take for her to get out of that chair and see the results on the right-hand side of the screen?
Right. Generally, you begin to see results within just a couple of weeks. Usually by 2 months, 2 to 4 months, you'll see the maximum result.
So this would be perfect before you go to the beach.
Absolutely.
And what, did you notice a change in your abs after you used it?
Yeah, I came in early one morning. I put the device on myself, and there's no question. In fact, my wife was on a trip, came home, kind of looked at me, asked me if I had done something. Of course, I denied it at first, but because I thought it was in my head what I was seeing, but I saw the results very quickly.
All right, Dr. Jon Mendelsohn, fascinating. Coolsculpting. You, of course, can find Dr. Jon Mendelsohn's website on ours, fox19.com. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you.
Have a nice